What's up, everybody? This is 13, your resident Juke headlight master up in this piece. I got my 9th set of first generation 2011 to 2014 Nissan Juke headlights that I have built right up in here. What's super cool about these are the MLED from Morimoto. So that is a projector assembly that utilizes LED technology. It is not HID. So it is instant on, it's pure white color, and it has significantly less wiring. It does not require a relay harness, and it's a lot more straightforward plug and play for the end user to install. We also have the quad rod shrouds on this thing, which is the first time I've worked with these, so I was really excited about that. They light up this beautiful LED pure white. I have got them mounted in the X pattern because X gonna give it to you. And well, yeah, whatever. That looks like it looks. It is also switchback. So, ta-da! Just tap that into your turn signal, and it'll look pretty cool. Boo-wee! Cool. And then I can show you the actual, like I said, instant on. That's the headlight. It is bright. And up on the wall, you can see that beautiful cutoff there, and it also has that M logo, which is pretty nifty. But that's it. Rah! Hooah! All right. Yeah, these videos are gonna get quick because, like, I don't know, man. You've seen all this stuff before. It's just another badass Juke retrofit that I'm super stoked on. I love these things. Keep them coming, guys. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Holla at your boy. Talk to you later. See ya!